yeah, tell us a little bit about your family and about what you guys do.
Probably have you take your sunglasses off.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Good catch. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
My name is Jake Agar. We're here in Molt, Montana at my family's ranch. We're a commercial cow-calf operation where the main ranch runs Red Angus mainly, and then on my ranch we run Black Angus. We moved out here around probably 2011 era. My dad has built it when I was growing up. All through high school and college I came and helped, and then after college I came and started ranching full-time with my father.
Well, he always liked the ranch. When he went to college, I didn't know which way he was going to go. If he's going to be a snowboarder, he was a instructor at Big Sky Mountain. I didn't know if he was going to get into that industry or come back to the ranch. I knew he always liked it. And then he got an ag degree in Bozeman, and when he came back, he was 100% in, so it worked out real well.
Well, my day-to-day, we just got done with calving season, so in the mornings during calving season, obviously get up with feed and then go check newborn babies, tag, band, vaccinate if needed, run health, check, make sure all the young calves are thriving and aren't sickly or being held back at all. Then feed in the mornings, go back to the ranch, work in the shop or whatever chores need to be done for the day, and then go out for a nightly feed and check. And if the weather's bad, constantly checking baby calves, make sure the health is good, no one's getting cold. If they are cold, bring them in, warm them up, return them back to mother, make sure health is thriving.
You know, we start the days, they're planned out the day before, the week before. You know, right now we're right at the end of calving season. So we've done all the branding and trying to get cattle out to grass. So it takes a lot of planning to do it right and to be professional and to be successful. When these cattle get out to grass, everything will be run through the shop. Jake will take care of 99% of it, the mechanic work, and get everything in tip-top shape. And that's another thing. If you don't keep your equipment up, you know, your downtime will kill you.
Yeah, I built this truck for ranch work as a tow rig it's hooked up to a stock trailer a lot of the times. We're always hauling ag equipment around. So I have it built. It's a 1-ton 2015 GMC Duramax Denali. It's got a Bradford built regulator flatbed on it, which is great, where you can throw big parts on there, pallets of feed, pallets of salt blocks. It's tuned and deleted. It's got a ranch hand bumper on it, stock wheels and tires and height, just so it tows right and rides good still, and is very reliable. It runs down gravel roads almost its whole life, which is brutal on a truck, and I've had no problems with it. With this build, it's been a really reliable truck for us. So I recently just acquired some brakes from Doc's Diesel. They're drilled and slotted rotors and ceramic brake pads. They've been great for towing and stopping a heavy load. A stock trailer full of bulls, you can't afford to lose brakes or have brake fade. When we get stock trailers loaded up, they can weigh anywhere 25,000 pounds. You gotta be able to stop that going downhill or on a flat or an emergency situation.
What do you love most about just your day-to-day life here? You know, what you've built out?
I think the biggest deal is just the way of life, the freedom. You know, you're your own man, you're not answering to nobody. If there's a problem, it's on you. If there's a failure, it's on you. If there's success, it's on you. And you get as much as you put into it. You know, if you put 110% in, you'll get 110% out.
What do you think is the most important factor in operating a ranch?
You know, hard work. You got to have some try. You know, a lot of folks get into this deal and they don't understand why they're not successful. And, you know, the cattle aren't maintained well. What I mean is, you know, keep your health up, keep them fed right, keep them bred up, keep your fence. It's a lot of hard work to do it right. You know, the better it looks, the better it is.